Hey, here's how to convert video into a GIF. So that way you increase your email click rates, which means you'll get more views on YouTube like crazy. I'm Patricia Kelikani, an Emmy Award winner, showing you how to make amazing videos so your business makes more money. Okay, so I love converting videos into a GIF. Basically, I take short snippets from my YouTube video, like 3 seconds or so, make that into a GIF with a play button and put that in my email to basically encourage my subscribers to click on that video and watch my new YouTube video. And by doing that, it increases my email click rates by 2 to 5 times. It's crazy how many more people will click on your email and watch your new YouTube video just by doing this simple thing. So here's how to do it. Step 1, make a play button. Okay, so first step, we're gonna go to canva.com. This is really the easiest way to make a play button. You're gonna create a new design. It really doesn't matter what size it is. And now we're going to click on Elements, type in play button, and it gives you a bunch of options. We're gonna use a simple one, just like this. And we're going to make it white. There we go. Now we're going to click share, click download, click on transparent background. That's really important, and download. Step 2, choose a captivating scene. So now with your editing program open, go ahead and choose about a 3-second clip that'll entice people to want to watch your video. So this is a clip I have, and then go ahead and drag that play button that you imported over your video. I'm using Final Cut Pro, by the way, so this is how you would do it if you're using Final Cut Pro. You can transform this, you can make it a little bit smaller. I'm going to drag it down a tad, and I'm going to lower the opacity. Okay, so let's see what this looks like. Alrighty, I think that's pretty good. So now go ahead and export it. Okay, so let me know, do you already email your new videos to your subscribers or not yet? Let me know in the comments. And to learn more about growing your email list, watch this video up here. Okay, let's continue on. Step 3, upload your video to ezgif.com. So once at ezgif.com, click on video to GIF. Choose your file that you just exported, then click on upload video. All right, so now we have it. It's 2.5 megs, and so we want to get that down. So I'm going to go to size and then go to 400 times auto and click on convert to GIF, and let's see what we get. So yep, it's down to 1.4 megabytes, which is pretty good for email. That way it'll load pretty quickly. And then we're going to click on save. And last, step 4, place your beautiful, amazing GIF into your email. So now you're just gonna drag your GIF into your email and watch your click rates increase like crazy. It is crazy to see how many people will click on your email to watch your video. There you go, how to convert video into a GIF using EasyGIF. So if you're wondering what video you should make next to not only boost your business, but your bank account at the same time, then make sure and take my free assessment at the link below. This is a personalized quiz based on the answers that you give. So find out and boost your business. And of course, if this video was helpful, I would love it if you gave it that thumbs up and subscribed to my channel. And let me know in the comments, are you gonna start doing this in your emails? Let me know. All right, cheering for you.